welcome to Gruvgear Guitar and cool rock song is from Dogstar. This song is called All In Now, and perhaps you know the front figure here is playing the bass. It's Keanu Reeves. Perhaps you recognize that name. Anyway, let's go into this cool attitude song. So what we're gonna do here is to use bar chords mostly, so no need for any capo here. We're gonna play pretty much as they do. So let's go into the chords like we usually do. So we're gonna start off with this C minor chord, and we're gonna play high up here with the bar chord on the 9th fret. You place any finger like that as a bar, and then you need to add, let's see, 11th on A and 11th on D. That is the C minor chord. Then we have the E, because they're gonna alternate this C minor and E a lot in this song. So what you do for this E is to just lift off that E string, the bar there. You just release the bar, you keep the fingers there on the 11th fret, A and D, and you just lift off the bar and play on the bass strings. So you get that open E string, and then still that 11 A, 11th D, and then I don't take away this bar like this because we're gonna work a lot then. So just lift off this E. So the rest down there pretty much gets muted from the rest of my finger leaning on that 9th fret bar. Okay, so if you understand what I mean there, I just lift off the first part of a bar like this to get the open E string. And then the rest down there pretty much gets muted because we're gonna work with the bass strings here for each and every chord. We're gonna play and tune that bass string. So that is the combo from C minor to the E, okay? That's one version of E. Then we're gonna use the next version of E, which is here. Okay, that's another bar, this time on the 7th fret, and you push down 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then it's enough if you just add on the 7th, let's see, the 9th fret D and 9th fret G, because again we're going to utilize just the bass strings for each and every chord. So that's 2 versions of E. Let's move on to the next chord, which will be the F sharp minor. Another bar, this time on the 2nd fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. Then we got the A, and we use the bar version of it because that will actually be easier, because we're gonna work way up back then after using the A. So that's the reason for it. This time we have a bar on the 5th fret to push down all strings there. Then you need to add 7th A, 7th D, and 6th G. That's the A. And then we also got for the chorus later on, the D sharp minor. This time we have the bar on the 6th fret, you push down 5 strings, we count from bottom up, and then you need to add 8 on D, 8 on G. That's enough, because again, just the bass strings. From that, you're gonna go to the C sharp minor, so take the very same grip and move it 2 frets out from your body like this. You line with the index finger now as a bar on the 4th fret, same 5 strings, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G. And then the B, the same grip, another 2 frets, you line with the index finger now on the 2nd fret, 5 strings, and then you need to add 4th D, 4th G. And I believe we got all the chords needed right there. So that's what we're gonna work with. A lot of downs. We're gonna chew and hammer on these downs. So we already started this song with the intro. We had that combo of C minor to E. So you're gonna play 4 times. And what I mean by 4 times is that combo 4 times. So down on the C minor, you're gonna play 5 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you lift off for 3 downs to get the E. That is 1 round, okay? So 5 on C, 3 on E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 4 times like that. Then you go up to the F sharp minor and play 8 downs. and then to the A, 8 downs. And then you finish off with that C minor to E for 2 rounds. And that is the intro, okay? So that is how you do it, and that is also what you're gonna do for the verse. So first you're gonna start with this for 2 rounds as an intro, and then in the first verse you're gonna do it for another 2 rounds. So you're gonna stay like this. Consider all that being 1 big round, 2 rounds. That's the first verse. All right. Then at 1 minute and 12 seconds in starts the chorus. Now we're gonna go to this second version of E. You're gonna play 16 downs on that. It's hard to count all the downs. You have to learn it and go by feel. I think in clusters of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I think about it. And then you're gonna go to the D sharp minor. 16. And then you're gonna finish off with 1 down on C sharp minor, 1 down on B, and 1 down on A. So like this. And the pause, and I do it again. And then you start all over again. So 2 rounds in total of that. So and there you have the chorus. All right, guys. So for the next round, you're gonna go back and play the verse, second verse. The difference here is that the starting here of the C minor to E, you're gonna play it 4 times, okay? And then you're gonna play this F sharp A, and then back to the C minor and A. So C minor and E. So that is just to pretty much play the same as you played the first verse. You play it in the second verse as well. So then you're gonna repeat the same in the chorus. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that: E, D minor, D sharp minor, C sharp minor, B, A. And after that, you have an instrumental part where you're gonna play again this C minor to the E, that combo for 4 times. You have that after each and every chorus. After this second chorus, you're gonna play for 4 times both these instrumental parts, and after that 4 times you're gonna go into the outro part. And what you're gonna play in the outro part there is the F sharp minor. So 16 downs on that. Then E, A. Repeat that. And then you're gonna finish off with this C minor to B. C minor. A. 3 times on that, and then you're gonna finish off with the C minor, 5 downs. And that, my friends, is how I handle it. Dogstar, all in now. So, yeah, a lot of bar chords. Sorry if I was a little bit confused there. I was watching my fretboard while I'm speaking, and this is a fairly new song for me as well. So, but I think I really got it here with, yeah, amount of times, everything. Hope you enjoyed this format. If you would like me to see, to play a full song from the start to the very end and play through the song for you, and meanwhile showing you the chords, then I have a secondary YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings A Go. And not the newest song there. The whole idea is with 6 Strings A Go is to get older songs, classic songs like from the 60s, 70s all the way to present time, and play them for you basically. So you're gonna follow along there and learn while you're watching me and try to replicate what I'm doing. So that is another format. You can check out my YouTube channel there, Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings A Go. Hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, leave me some feedback on it, comment, or like it, or whatever you want to do. Hope to see you guys the next time. Play tuned.